Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Stitch as a ghost. So first let's get started with our nose right in the center. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line from left to right. Let's move down now, closing that off with another curved line, bringing this over and through. For the nostrils on both sides, we're going to curve this line out towards the side. Moving up for our detailed lines, we're just going to draw in a curved line directly above. Stepping up even smaller, let's replicate that again. Now let's move over to close off the face. On the left hand side, we're going to arch this line up, bringing this around and in on the side. And then we're going to line that up at the same height on the right hand side and replicate that. Let's close this off in the bottom. From left to right, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line, bringing this over and through. Let's close off the top of the head. On the right hand side, we're going to arch this line in. We're going to do the same on the left hand side, just leaving a gap right in the middle. Let's close off the hair up above. On the side, we're going to curve this line out and down. Again, bringing this line over and through. And then we're just going to curve this around and down on the top. Now let's close off our eyes. So starting on the inside, we're going to curve this around and down towards the side of the nose. We're going to continue to extend this through, bringing this around and back over on the side of the head. Now for the pupil in the corner, we're going to curve this around, bringing this back underneath and connecting that together. Let's move in towards the top. Let's draw in a nice big circle for our highlight. And now let's color in the pupil black. Now let's move down, let's draw in the mouth. We're going to draw in a straight line that comes down in the center of the nose. From the left hand side, we're going to curve this down, over and through towards the side. Do the same thing on the right, bringing that across. Let's draw in an arch line underneath. We're going to curve this line all the way around and through towards the side. Now from the center, we're going to draw in the letter V coming out towards the left. We'll do the same on the right. We're going to replicate that, making that even bigger as we come over on both sides. And then again, one more time. Let's replicate that in the opposite direction now. So coming down in the center, on the side, drawing in a triangle, replicating that on the right. Again, drawing that at a bigger size, we're going to come across on both sides, replicating that. Now let's move over, drawing that in again. Now from here for the tongue, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right, bringing that down. Let's close off the shape of the hood now for the ghost around him. So starting in the center, we're going to curve this around, following that through, bringing that in towards the side. And then we're going to do the same on the right, arching this around and back in. Let's come up and draw in the ears. So from the side, we're going to curve this line up and over towards the side of the page. We're going to line that up at the same height on the left-hand side and just replicate that. On the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line around and through. And then on the top left, we're just going to draw in a small arch line, curving that down. Let's draw in the tear in the ear. So we're going to draw in a sideways letter V. We'll do the same on the top left. And then now from here on the top, we're going to curve this around and through. Same on the bottom. On the top, let's arch this line over and across. And now coming underneath, we're going to curve this line over and in towards the bottom. Let's move over now and draw in the hand. So coming over beside for the thumb, we're going to arch this line around and down. Starting from that corner on the top, curving this around and through towards the middle. Let's move across again, drawing in another curved line from left to right. And then as we move over for the pinky, curving this through towards the side. Let's close off the bottom of the palm now on both sides. We're going to curve this line in towards the center, closing that off. Now as we move in towards the center of the palms, we're just going to draw in a circle. Let's draw some triangles for the claws. So for the thumb, we're going to curve this out and down. We're going to continue as we come across on every single one. Let's do the same in the left. Now from here, let's close off the arm. On the side, we're going to curve this around and through. Do the same on the right. From here, we're going to close off the arm by arching this line around and then in. And then as we move in towards the top, we're going to curve this around and down. Let's continue to close off the bottom of the cloak now. So we're going to curve this line up, down, and around, bringing that up, down, and around, bringing that back through. Let's close off the bottom of the cloak. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line out, around, back in towards the middle. We'll do the same thing on the right, bringing this out, flattening that out, bringing that around, back in towards the middle. Let's continue to close this off. We're going to curve this line down, up, and over, connecting that together. On the side, let's curve this line all the way through towards the top. And then on the right, we're just going to arch this line through again. Let's continue to close off the cloak on the side. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line down and up. We're going to continue this. We're going to curve this back, down, and through. And then again, curving this down and over. Let's replicate this on the right. We're going to curve this down, up. We're going to bring this down and through. And then again, we're going to bring this over, arching that down. Let's move down for the feet. On both sides, we're going to curve this line around and through. From that point, curving this over and across. Again, starting from that corner, bringing this over and through. And then one more time, curving this around and in towards the bottom of the cloak. Now, we're going to draw in a curved line in each space where the toe is. And then we're going to move over on the left-hand side and just replicate that. And that is it. That's how you draw Stitch in a ghost costume. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.